Authorities are conducting a probe into how unattended cooking supposedly triggered a massive grass fire on Taal Volcano Island. The details from Paulo Barcelon.
It was Tuesday morning when residents of San Nicolas Town in Batangas saw raging fires and thick smoke. The blaze burned 6 to 8 hectares of land on Taal Volcano Island and looks similar to the massive wildfires in Los Angeles, California back in January. Residents tell Billionaire News Channel that the fire looked just like an ordinary garbage burning activity until the fire department and Coast Guard had to step in.
Maliit lang po yan kahapon. As in, parang...
Gano'ng kaliit?
Parang, yung alam mo sir, yung mga parang nag-iihaw lang ganon. Tapos maya-maya sir, na-monitor ng ating taga Bureau of Fire at saka ating Coast Guard na parang sir, lumalawak yung at saka lumalaki talaga yung apoy.
Similar fires occurred in the island in 2023 and 2024. The San Nicolas Fire Department confirmed exclusively to the Billionaire News Channel that the fire was caused by firewood left burning by still unidentified people who visited the volcano island.
Mating yung composite, meron kaming nakita doon unattended cooking at saka nagtuturo sa amin na direksyon na papunta doon sa pakaliwang bali southwest ng ng parte ng Taal Volcano Island dahil sa lakas ng ng hangin, possible na may alipato na lumipad doon papuntang direksyon na yun, kaya dahil din mga tuyo na yung mga damo at saka yung mga kahoy, kaya mabilis na lumawak yung pinsala ng apoy.
Residents here in San Nicolas say that the distance between the shoreline where the fire station is to that part of Volcano Island is around 14 to 15 kilometers. Now, that could take up to 30 minutes if you're traveling on calmer seas. But on rough waters, the travel time could potentially be longer. The blaze had to be extinguished manually and was put out by 9 o'clock Wednesday morning. State volcanologists confirmed that no major damage to important equipment were recorded in the monitoring station inside Ground Zero.
Hindi po nakapasok ang sunog sa ating instrument shelter. Ang medyo naapektuhan lang po sa ating stasyon ay ang ating camera na naka-install po sa poste ng fence at natunaw po ang kanyang housing. Pero yung camera naman po ay intact.
An aerial survey has been conducted by authorities to determine the extent of the damage. No casualties were reported due to the fire, and Taal Volcano remains at alert level 1. Paulo Barcelon, Billionaire News Channel.